was watching one video, and in that video, you were talking with Alka ma'am, and you were sharing your newly designed kurta of velvet, I think. And I was
Yeah,
just thinking, it's a long time I have not talked Mamta. Maybe today we will connect. And God was hearing this.
you were means remembering me by heart. That is why today we
Because
connected.
I watched your, I think, one video today with Alka ma'am, where you were talking about two incidents which was occurred in Haryana. Two mishaps,
Yeah.
you can say, not incidents, two mishappenings.
Okay.
And you were sharing your, like, you have started your, home boutique at your home, I think.
Yeah, definitely. So,
Okay.
how was my
So
design? How was my design?
I was, very happy to see your creativity, your designs.
Definitely. And how was my hoodie?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
So after a long period, we are doing conversation. So please introduce yourself for my viewers.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? So, my name is Mamta Yadav. I am from Haryana. As a profession, I am a computer instructor. And
Hmm.
my hobbies. So,
Do
there's no
you?
need to tell my hobbies.
Yeah. Do you want my introduction?
Yeah, little bit.
I am Tanya. I'm joining you from Jaipur, Pink City. That's all about me.
Yeah, I know.
So how is the weather of Haryana right now?
It's cloudy and little bit cold. And today it was drizzling in the
Yes.
morning and afternoon as well.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now
Hmm.
it's cloudy.
So are you enjoying this weather?
Yeah, we were playing badminton. Still,
Okay. That is your
students are
favorite.
playing.
Hmm.
So I'm
You
just waiting.
huh? You have two kids, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me one thing. Like you are a computer instructor, and along with this, you have started a new career, I can say. So how is your experience?
Yeah, it was great. You know, I'm passionate about doing new things. That is why I started my home boutique because whenever I get uh, government holidays and I also get weekends. So
Hmm.
there are lots of times, and as you know, my children has grown up, so I don't have to do much for them.
Hmm.
They do everything for themselves. So because of that, I get lots of time. So I don't want to waste my time. That is why I started my home boutique. And
Hmm.
recently, I'm getting lots of orders and doing. It is going on well.
Hmm.
So,
Nowadays,
very-
people are promoted their business on Instagram, Facebook also. Are you also doing
okay.
same?
No, 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 no. Because I am also working, so I don't get much time to do my passion, and
Mhm.
that is why I I takes order only Saturday and Sunday, for Saturday and Sunday.
Hmm.
So if I
Like
upload on
they are
Instagram
making
and
content that they are posting.
yeah, if I upload on Instagram and YouTube channel, so I think I would get lots of
Mm.
orders. So
Yes,
it was
you
not
can
good
get
for
more
me.
orders, and you
Yeah,
can, popular. You can go popular easily.
yeah, definitely. But I'm a working professional. So for that, I couldn't be complete their order. If I get lots of order, I would not be complete their orders. So I don't want these things. If somebody give me order and I wouldn't complete their order, so the impact was would be good bad.
Hmm.
So that is
Hmm.
why I'm taking only small stuff, small orders, so that I can complete their orders and I can give them 100% result. And
Hmm.
I would be able to satisfy my customer.
Hmm.
So and
So
so
how
that they can become my permanent.
managing this time because you are also doing a job now, you have started this career also, this work also. Now how are you managing all these things?
Yeah, it's very easy. On
Mm.
weekends, I don't do. But if it is necessary, it's some, if I get order which I have to give I have to give in within 1 and 2 days, so then only I take burden on working days. After 5 o'clock I stitch for them,
mm,
otherwise I stitch only Saturday and Sunday. So
mm,
before taking orders I inform them, so I would stitch your order, I would complete your order only on Saturday and Sunday. Please
mm.
don't bother me and don't pressurize me to do this work before weekend, so
I was
they
watching
are
your
satisfied.
creativity, like hoodie, one velvet, I think, kurti. You were showing on the on this video. Yes,
Yeah,
that was.
recently I made that kurti with the lace, broad lace, and I
Mm,
made a V-neck, and I made I attach that lace on border and sleeves border as well.
mm. So now New Year is just around the corner. Do you have? Are you thinking any resolution for this upcoming year?
Yeah, every year I make my resolutions. So this time also it would be something for me for New Year's.
Mm.
I would make my resolution before New Year. So
Okay.
maybe
Mm,
it would be my business, regarding my business, that I have to enhance my skill more, and I have to upgrade my business as well. So I'm
mm.
thinking, so what
Great.
can I do for my business? I'm
Mm,
thinking about that
mm,
because I'm working in my work. My job is 9 to 5, so I
mm,
get less time after five
mm.
o'clock. And during
Yeah.
winter days are less, so we could
After
hardly get
watching
the time.
this video, so many women will encouraged how this ma'am is managing all these things.
Yeah, it's as I told you, my children. If I talk about my son, he is in 11th standard, so
Mm.
he doesn't disturb me.
But you are not
And
looking like your son is in 11th standard. I was just thinking your kids will be, I think, 5th or 6th standard.
no, no, no. He is in 11th standard, and daughter is in 7th standard. And
Mm.
my daughter also helps me a lot doing household chores.
Okay. But
So she also doesn't listen.
before this video, I was just thinking your kids are small and they are in 5th or 6th standard.
No, no, they have grown up. So this is the plus point for me. When they were
Okay.
child, they were small, so I couldn't get much time for my hobbies.
Hmm.
I kept
And what
busy teaching
about study?
them, study. Earlier, I was kept busy doing their works and their complete their homework
Hmm.
and all. Lots of things were there that time, but not now.
Okay. And how is your English journey going?
Yeah, it's I'm taking a little bit gap. This I'm discontinued, but I'm trying to come back on track
Hmm. Yes.
because of
Yes.
my this business. Because business earlier, first I learned things where I was lacking, but now I have learned, and that is why I started my business. And then now I'm thinking to continue with my journey. That
Hmm.
is why I have started uploading video very frequently.
Hmm.
Tell me, how is your practice going on?
My practice is going on very good, but these days I'm facing some, health issues. Like right
Okay.
now, you can also watch my, condition of voice. It is not coming clearly.
Okay, are you consistent or not?
I'm consistent.
Oh, great, great. I
Yes.
disconnected, but I will continue. From today onwards, I will do every day.
Okay. इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है डेली यूज कुछ सेंटेंस
जैसे ये सेंटेंस है, इसमें एक फ्रेज यूज हुआ है डिग डीपर। हमें इस मामले में और गहराई से जांच करनी होगी ताकि अधिक जानकारी मिल सके। वी नीड टू डिग डीपर इनटू दिस मैटर टू गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। वी नीड टू डिग डीपर इनटू दिस मैटर टू गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है हमारा, इस रहस्य को सुलझाने के लिए हमें सबूतों की गहराई से जांच करनी होगी। टू सॉल्व दिस मिस्ट्री वी नीड टू डिग डीपर इनटू द एविडेंस। टू सॉल्व दिस मिस्ट्री वी नीड टू डिग डीपर इनटू द एविडेंस। डिग डीपर को तब यूज किया जाता है जब किसी मामले को तह से समझने के लिए, यानी बिल्कुल गहराई से समझने के लिए और ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टिगेट करने की ज़रूरत होती है, तब वहाँ पे डिग डीपर को यूज किया जा सकता है। पत्रकार ने नेता के अतीत में और गहराई से जांच करने का फैसला किया। द जर्नलिस्ट डिसाइडेड टू डिग डीपर इनटू द पॉलिटिशियंस पास्ट। द जर्नलिस्ट डिसाइडेड टू डिग डीपर इनटू द पॉलिटिशियंस पास्ट। अगर हमें सटीक परिणाम चाहिए तो हमें डेटा में और गहराई से जांच करनी होगी। इफ़ वी वांट एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स वी मस्ट डिग डीपर इनटू द डेटा। इफ़ वी वांट एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स वी मस्ट डिग डीपर इनटू द डेटा। यानी जब किसी भी मामले की जानकारी हमें और अधिक चाहिए होती है और अधिक हम उसमें एफर्ट डालते हैं पूरी डिटेल जानने के लिए, तो इस डिग डीपर फ्रेज को हम यूज कर सकते हैं। मेरी आपत्तियों के बावजूद मुझे उसकी मांगों को मानना पड़ा। यानी मुझे जो भी ऑब्जेक्शंस थे वो तो थे, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे उसकी डिमांड को मानना पड़ा। तो इसके लिए एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं एक्वियस, जिसका मतलब था हाँ में हाँ मिलाना किसी की बात को, चाहे हम एग्री हो या ना हो। तो ये सेंटेंस ऐसे होगा, डिस्पाइट माई ऑब्जेक्शन आई हैड टू एक्वेस टू हिज डिमांड्स। डिस्पाइट माई ऑब्जेक्शन आई हैड टू एक्वेस टू हिज डिमांड्स। वह पूरी तरह से सहमत न होने के बावजूद योजना को मान गई। यानी उसे ये जो भी प्लान था पसंद नहीं था, बट फिर भी उसने हाँ में हाँ मिला दी। सी एक्वेस्ट टू द प्लान even though she was not entirely convinced. She acquiesced to the plan even though she wasn't entirely convinced. मैं किसी भी हालत में उसे माफ़ नहीं करूँगी। By no means will I forgive him. By no means will I forgive him. किसी पर भी आंख बंद करके भरोसा बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए। By no means should you trust someone blindly. By no means should you trust someone blindly. यह काम किसी भी तरह से आसान नहीं है। By no means is this an easy task to accomplish. By no means is this an easy task to accomplish. उसने इतनी सी बात पर हाय तौबा मचा दी। She made a huge fuss over such a small thing. She made a huge fuss over such a small thing. मुश्किल वक्त में भी उसका हौसला बुलंद रहा। His spirit stayed stronger even during difficult times. His spirit stayed strong even during difficult times. उसने अपने माता पिता के कहने पर नौकरी छोड़ दी। He left the job at the behest of his parents. He left the job at the behest of his parents. बैठक सीईओ के आदेश पर आयोजित की गई थी। The meeting was organized at the behest of the CEO. The meeting was organized at the behest of the CEO. उसने अपने दोस्त के कहने पर मदद करने का निर्णय लिया। She decided to help at the behest of her friend. She decided to help at the behest of her friend. उसने वह पैकेज देने के बहाने घर में दाखिल हुआ। He entered the house under the pretext of delivering a package. He entered the house under the pretext of delivering a package. उसने जल्दी पैसे वापस करने के बहाने पैसे उधार लिए। उसने जल्दी पैसे वापस करने के बहाने पैसे उधार लिए। She borrowed money under the pretext of paying it back soon. She borrowed money under the pretext of paying it back soon.